All right, Shalom. Shalom, giving all praise, glory, and honors unto Yahweh, by Hashem Yahweh Shai, by Hashem Kakadash. The blindness to the apostles, the elders of the great millstone. Peace and blessings to the hopeful elect. It's Brother Zai, one from GMS Atlanta. Back with another update to the MOTB and the current infrastructure in the world is turning digital, and the elites are setting everything up to centralize everyone's information into one pretty much one system. All right, for the most part, which will merge everybody's information into one database. So this is from biometricupdate.com, and it says SumHub and OneID bring document-free ID verification to UK via banks. All right, so now you are seeing merging your personal identification with the banks, as it says here. And like I said, that is centralizing your information into one database, which is eventually going to lead to the charagma. All your verified documents, financial information, and records will be contained in a digital computer device chip, which will go inside your hand or your forehead. Okay. Oh, and this is on top of the major news, all right, that Elon Musk's company, Neuralink, is now seeking to put their BCI, brain computer interface device, into humans. All right, it is officially underway, and things are definitely about to move quick, especially to finish out the year and going into 2024. There's about 3 months left. October, November, December, 3-4 months. It's the middle of September, so about 3.5 months left in 2023, which is the hopeful year of all the prophecies coming to pass. And this is a major prophecy starting to fulfill itself, all right, dealing with the MOTB or the charagma. And this is one more step to that infrastructure and that system being set up, okay, merging your ID information with your bank information. Okay, it says some subs non-document identity verification platform is being launched in the company's native UK. Following its introduction in Nigeria, Brazil, India, and other countries, some sub has developed a strategic partnership with OneID, an identity provider that is certified by the UK government for compliance with personal data regulations, to bring it to financial institutions and customers in the UK. Now, I've done a number of videos dealing with them putting this technology in Nigeria and in other countries already. So this is an update to that, all right? And they're using this OneID, okay? Matter of fact, let me click on this OneID right here. So it says here, OneID website, OneID UK. It says OneID lets you prove who you are online easily and securely. And it's the only UK identity service with access to bank verified data to ensure that every transaction is protected by the most advanced counter fraud measures. This is why when they introduce the charagma, people are not going to have no privacy concerns, because they're already doing their testing, okay? And they're already setting up these companies that are going to pretty much tell you that, hey, look, we got this fraud thing figured out now. And if you take this charagma, all right, in your hand or in your forehead, then hey, you'll be okay, because all your information is not just in your purse or wallet, but it's inside of you. Okay. Yeah, it says here, OneID secures 1.3 million in fresh funding to expand bank verified digital ID services. Okay. And the key thing is dealing with the banks, because who are the elites of this society? The bankers, right? The families of the elite ruling class families of Esau, going back to the Edomites, Esau, your Rothschilds, Rockefellers, DuPonts, Oppenheimers, all of these banking families that are over the central banks around the world. Which we know they're the Edomites, and they know they're the Edomites. Okay? And they want to eventually introduce this technology to get the people of the earth under their total control. So now back here it says, speed and breadth are the platform's key features, in addition to an exponentially faster onboarding time than the industry average of 2 minutes. With no need to upload photos or ID documents, non-document ID verification will cover 95% of the UK's adult population. So this is the target with this here, is the UK, their people. Institutions that will facilitate customer data verification include Barclays, Bank of Scotland, Chase, First Direct, Halifax, HSBC, Lloyds, MBNA, Monzo, NatWest, RBS, Santander, Starling, TSB, Ulster, and Virgin Money. The platform, which offers SDK integration and customization, targets clients in fintech, crypto, online gaming, and transportation. So everything is covered, okay? It's going to be covered out there in the UK, all right? Like I said, this is another step to them setting up this infrastructure for the MOTB. Because once they introduce it, and Elon Musk has already been approved and is already starting to find the right people to actually put his Neuralink inside their heads, things are going to move quick. Prophecies are moving at a fast pace. All right, let's see if I can find anything on this guy on this website here, Elon Musk. Nothing yet on this, which I'm surprised it doesn't say anything about Elon Musk here on this website, because the brain computer interface, that's a part of biometrics and transhumanism as well. Okay. So they're pretty much just dealing with Twitter right now, or X, as they call it, X. People are in an uproar, and that's why they do this. He supposedly, this guy Elon Musk is supposedly going to charge users a monthly fee to access social media, which that's eventually, we predicted that could possibly happen. I know I've thought about that. I think other brothers and apostles have mentioned that possibly before anyway, about social media going to being a pay by the month service. So only those with the charagma and other verified forms of ID and access can actually get on the internet. It's going to be highly regulated. So that's the big news, is X, formerly Twitter, supposedly in the near future charging a monthly fee. Meanwhile, when it comes down to Neuralink, nobody's talking about that. They rather hear about the Twitter and the social media crap, because our people are stupid and slow when it comes to real issues, I'm talking about the 2/3, the wicked of our people. But the elect, we know and understand really what's going on, okay? But that's it on that. Hope this was edifying. Another step to the charagma coming. All right. And things are going to start moving quick, okay? Especially going into 2024 with this Neuralink and these biometric technologies merging IDs and digital IDs and banking information, But with that, I say shalom.